Hello. Welcome, and thank you for watching. This video is about providing you with an easy and understandable explanation of affiliate marketing. The better your understanding, the better your results. If you want to improve your results, stick with me. We are going to be using an analogy that most of you can relate to, an analogy that most of you can understand, and one that most of you will remember. We are going to compare affiliate marketing with sex. Yes, sex. Prepare to be surprised, and more importantly, informed. In our analogy, we are going to have a male, a female, and a matchmaker. The male is going to represent what is called the seller. The female represents the buyer and the matchmaker represents the affiliate marketer. You are the matchmaker. Just like a real matchmaker is someone who brings two people together, usually for the purpose of matrimony, and often for money. As an affiliate marketer, your job is almost the same. It is to bring the male and the female together, in other words, to bring together the seller and the buyer. It is really that simple, but the idea of comparing affiliate marketing to sex is much more fitting than you might realize. Better yet, once you see how this analogy applies, it is going to make affiliate marketing much clearer and much easier. As you probably know, sex is not about pleasing the male, it is all about pleasing the female. When the female is pleased, the sex is going to be great. In addition, when the female is pleased, more sex is a good possibility. This little sex secret applies to affiliate marketing. Please the female, which is the buyer, and things are going to be great. In other words, affiliate marketing is bringing buyers and sellers together. When a sale is made, you earn a fee or a commission, and be sure to be a matchmaker who focuses on the female. It is all about the female, so build your strategies, your campaigns, your marketing and so on with your focus on the buyer. What you want to take away from this video are two things. First is that your job is similar to that of a matchmaker. To bring the buyer and seller together. Second, just like sex is all about the female, likewise, affiliate marketing is all about the buyer. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black. Do that right now, thank you. If you like this kind of content, allow me to invite you to join the channel and ring the bell, so that we can let you know each time a new video is uploaded. I thank you again for watching. Watch this video next.